Hi peeps, and welcome back to my channel. It's another city girl here, tuning in with another video. If you're new here, my channel provides luxury and lifestyle content. Before we begin, if you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel. That way you'll be notified of new videos and content. Jumping into today's video, it's about items I got for $50 or less from YSL, Prada, Chanel, and Fendi. I had a lot of fun with my last video with items under $30 from Hermes, so I figured I would do a second video with different luxury brands. So the first item I am going to open is from Chanel. And here is a view of inside of the gift wrapping. And there is a little pouch with 2 samples that comes with your order when you order online through Chanel. And these are the 2 samples that I have selected with my order, and they are both perfume samples. There are other items that you can select, but I thought that these are the ones that I like the most. And the item that I got from Chanel is a nail polish remover. It was on their website for $26 Canadian. And of course, we pay taxes here, so there's HST, which is 13% tax. The next item I'm going to open is from Fendi, and that's the receipt proof of purchase. And this is the item that I'm going to open. And the item that I got from Fendi is a book. It is called Your 7 Ways to Rome. It is a travel book, so I'm going to open it up to show you guys the detail inside. So a little bit about the travel book or travel guide. I've purchased it on Fendi.com's website, and it retailed for $38 Canadian. I tried finding the link again. Unfortunately, it's sold out on the Fendi website, but I've linked a different version from 2017 in the description box below. There's some beautiful pictures in here, and these are all the stickers. I wanted to make sure I took the time to show you each one of the stickers that came in the back of the book. Rome is a city that I haven't got a chance to visit yet, and it's definitely on my travel bucket list. When the time comes, I really look forward to be using this travel guide to see this beautiful city of Rome, their restaurants, and everything that it has to offer. And the next item I will be opening would be from YSL or Yves Saint Laurent. It came beautifully packaged in this gift box and tissue paper. And this is a view of everything inside the box. Similar to Chanel, when you make an order from YSL, it came with samples, and these are the 3 samples that I chose. And the item that I got from YSL for under $50 is the YSL Black Opium Floral Shock Eau de Parfum. This is the 10 millimeter spray bottle, as you can see here. And it was available on their website for $30 Canadian plus tax, and I will link the item below. Last but not least, the last item I am going to open is from Prada. So when I ordered the item from Prada, I had it gift wrapped and it had a gift note, and this is what I put in there: nothing is better than Prada. And this is the box. It came beautifully gift wrapped from Prada, and now I'm going to open it to share with you what's inside. And the items that I got from Prada are slide charms, as you can see here. One is their robot with the Prada logo on it, and the other is their signature heart symbol. So the price for these sliding charms were both $50 each on Prada.com's website. So of course I have to put these charms to good use, so I went on eBay and bought a very inexpensive strap, which then I can use to hold the charms. So here I am unscrewing the screw that holds the strap in the keychain. So as you can see, I have already put in a plastic stopper on the strap so that when I put this charm on, it would hold it in place. So this is the little plastic stopper that I use to hold the charms in place. And now you're going to see me putting on the other so you can see how I did it. As you can see, I use a tweezer to stretch it out, and I popped it over the strap to hold the charms in place. You're probably wondering why I put stoppers on the strap to hold the charms. So the main reason why I did that is that because if I simply put the charms on the strap, the charms would be all the way at the bottom and you wouldn't be able to see it. By having the stoppers, I'm able to hold the charms in a certain place so that when I use this strap as a bag charm on my purse, you can see both Prada sliding charms on display. After adjusting everything to my liking, I am going to put the screw back onto the strap to hold it back in place so I can put the keychain back together. And there you go, and this is a great way to create an affordable bag charm. And these are all the items that I got for $50 or less from YSL, Prada, Fendi, and Chanel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment below to let me know which one was your favorite, and I'll see you next time.